Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about germs. So what is a germ? A germ, also known as a microbe, is a microscopic organism. There are two main types of germs. The first main type of germ is a virus. A virus is a non-living particle made of proteins, nucleic acids, and sometimes lipids. Viruses are intracellular organisms, meaning that they infiltrate the host cell and live inside the cell. Viruses are even smaller than bacteria and require living hosts, such as people, plants, or animals, to multiply. The second main type of germ is a bacteria. Unicellular microorganisms that have cell walls but lack organelles and an organized nucleus. Bacteria are intercellular organisms, meaning that they live in between cells. Germs can be good or bad. We have about 10 trillion good germs in our body, and a lot of them live in our gut. Good bacteria helps us digest food and absorb nutrients. Good bacteria also protects us from the bad bacteria, which makes us sick. Bad germs make us sick by invading our body. When a virus enters your body, it invades some of your cells and takes over the cell machinery, redirecting it to produce the virus. They change the host cell's genetic material from its normal function to producing the virus itself. When bacteria invades your body, it can give off chemicals called toxin and damage tissue to make you sick. Our immune helps protect our body from these bad germs called pathogens, in order to fight against diseases. The first line of defense in our immune system is our skin, which acts as a physical barrier against pathogens. The immune system's second line of defense is our body's inflammatory response, where the flow of fluid to the infected tissue carries white blood cells to attack the pathogens. Our immune system also uses interferons, proteins, which interfere with viral growth, and fever, a raise in body temperature which slows down the growth of pathogens. These are various ways that diseases can be spread. Diseases can spread through coughing, sneezing, and physical contact. They can also be spread by exchange of body fluids and contaminated water or food. Diseases can be treated with vaccines and antibiotics. Vaccines work by injecting a weakened form of pathogen or a similar but safer pathogen into a person's body in order to strengthen that person's immunity against a certain disease. Antibiotics work by killing bacteria without harming the person's body. Additionally, even washing hands can prevent the spread of diseases. One example of a disease is diphtheria, which is a bacteria. When our body is infected with diphtheria, the bacteria attaches itself to the lining of the respiratory system. The diphtheria then creates a poison which destroys healthy tissue in the respiratory system, and within a few days, the dead tissue forms a thick gray coating that builds up in the throat or nose, making it incredibly hard to breathe. The poison can enter the bloodstream and cause damage to the heart, nerves, or kidneys. Additional complications may include blocking of the airway, damage to the heart muscle, nerve damage, paralysis, lung infection, and even at times death. 1 in 10 treated patients die, and up to 1 in 2 untreated patients also die. Diphtheria can be transmitted by sneezing, coughing, or even just by touch. Getting treated quickly is extremely important when dealing with diphtheria. The two main treatments include using a diphtheria antitoxin to stop the poison produced by the bacteria from causing more damage to the body, and using antibiotics to kill and harm the bacteria. Patients are usually kept in isolation for about 48 hours until the doctor decides they are no longer contagious. And that's all you need to know about germs and diphtheria. Thanks for watching.